In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Trello into a shared inbox. By the end, you'll have a simple, structured board that centralizes incoming requests and makes it clear what's being worked on right now. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. This is your hub for creating and managing boards. Make sure you're signed in and using the workspace where your team actually collaborates, so everything stays in the right place. At the top of the page, choose the Create option. This opens Trello's creation menu, which is where you start any new board. From that menu, select Create Board. We're building a dedicated board just for the shared inbox workflow. When prompted, type a clear, descriptive board title. Pick something that signals purpose at a glance, like Shared Inbox or Team Inbox. The clearer the title, the easier it is for teammates to find and understand what this board is for. Next, choose the appropriate workspace. This determines who can access the board by default. Select the workspace that includes the people who will triage and respond to incoming requests. Getting this right up front saves permissions headaches later. Now, choose the visibility level. Private is great for sensitive teams, while Workspace Visible allows everyone in your workspace to see and collaborate. For a shared inbox, Workspace visibility is often the most practical because the whole team can participate without individual invites. Click Create to spin up the board. You'll land on a blank canvas where we'll set up the two core lists that power a simple shared inbox workflow. In the first list name field, type inbox. This list is the catch-all for new items, questions, requests, issues, or ideas. Keeping everything landing in one place ensures nothing slips through the cracks and gives your team a single starting point. Click Add List to create the inbox column. With that in place, add the second list. In the next list name field, type in progress. This column is where items move once someone starts working on them, making ownership and status instantly visible. Click Add list to confirm the in progress column. With these two lists, you've built the foundation of a shared inbox. New items arrive in inbox and active work lives in progress. From here, you can add cards for incoming requests, assign teammates, and drag cards between lists as work advances. Use clear titles, add context and descriptions, and keep comments focused so updates are easy to follow. That's it. Your Trello board now functions as a clean, shared inbox your team can rely on.